Hey guys, today I have a review for you of Aiper's new Scuba V3 robotic pool cleaner. So robotic pool cleaners are really nice to have since they make it so easy to clean and maintain your pool, and Aiper has some really nice options. I actually reviewed their Scuba X1 Pro Max last year and was very impressed with it. Well, they've come out with their new Scuba V3 model, and it does look like it is going to be a great option at a competitive price. Taking it out of the packaging, it is packaged well, and there's a detailed quick start guide, which is handy, and it comes with everything you need, including the manual, power cable, hook, charging dock, and of course the device itself. I do like the overall look of the V3. It's nice and sleek. You can see the cameras it has, which enable various AI features I'll get to in a bit. That said, I do want to highlight that everything is done on the device itself for privacy, so there's no saving of images or uploading of images, and that's really good to see. Now looking at it more here, the brush roller looks good. It's got tank track style movement, which I found very effective. And yeah, it looks good. Now to get it set up, the first thing you're going to want to do is charge it. You just place it on its charging dock and it charges automatically. Now this is a smart robotic pool cleaner, so it is able to be used with the Aiper app. So while it's charging, you can pair it and connect it to Wi-Fi, adjust various settings, set cleaning modes, update firmware, that sort of thing. It's very easy to use. And this pool cleaner is able to be used with a variety of pool materials and shapes, which is good. And once it's fully charged, you're ready to go. You can adjust the cleaning mode in the app or right on the device itself. It's very easy and intuitive and shows you the modes you can select right there. Then you just put it in the pool and it sinks down and starts its cleaning cycle. Now the V3 does have the ability to clean the bottom of your pool, the sides, and the water line. Its AI does a really good job mapping everything, and honestly it cleans great. It does have dual scrubbing brushes for better performance, and up to 4,800 gallons per hour of suction. Watching it clean the bottom, it cleaned it thoroughly and didn't miss any debris, including in the corners, which is good. The sides are the same. It cleans a section, moves over, then cleans the next section, and it does a good job. And then for the water line, it has this feature called Jet Assist, which helps it stay at the water line as it moves and scrubs it well. And yeah, overall, I'm very happy with its cleaning performance, and it's got a lot of nice features too. They say it's the world's first cognitive AI-powered robotic pool cleaner, and it uses that smarts for things like AI patrol functionality, which enables it to detect debris up to 6 feet away and clean it as opposed to just cleaning everywhere. This can really help cut down on cleaning time. It also has this new AI Navium mode, which automatically adjusts the cleaning schedule and modes to give it up to a week of cleaning on a full charge. That can be very helpful and allow you to basically just set it and forget it, which is really convenient. It's also got adaptive path planning that combines the AI vision and direct time of flight sensors to plan efficient cleaning routes that target the visible debris first while avoiding obstacles and avoiding repeated passes. And then when it's done cleaning, it comes up to the water line for easy retrieval and you get an alert in the app. And one of the things I really want to highlight too is its weight. It's only about 18 pounds, which is definitely lighter than most other options out there. This makes getting it out of the pool much easier, as well as putting it in the pool, charging it, basically anytime you have to move it. It's definitely noticeable compared to others how much lighter it is. Then you just take out the filter and dump it, rinse it with the hose, and you're good to go. You just charge it back up, and it can go again. It does have multi-layer filtration too. It comes with a 180 micron debris filter, as well as a 3 micron ultrafine filter that really captures small particles. Personally, I just leave the main filter in primarily so I can get the most flow. But if you really want to make sure you get all the algae, sand, that type of thing, the ultrafine filter works really well. But yeah, overall, I'm very happy with the Aiper Scuba V3. It cleans well and the pool looks great when it's done. Now let's talk about pricing. I'll post links in the description, but it's currently on sale for only $980 on Amazon as well as on their website. And under $1,000 for a robotic pool cleaner with the functionality and features this has is really competitive. And if you do want skimming functionality too, they offer a duo package with their EcoSurfer S2 for $1,250, so that's another option you have too. But yeah, like I said, I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you guys think though, and let me know if you have any questions about the Aiper Scuba V3. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, hype the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.